What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This one is going to be a special unboxing because it's another Hinderer knife, as I'm sure you can tell by the thumbnail. If you guys are wondering, yes, I did sell the other one that was previously Excalibur, the slicer in 20 CV. Actually went to a patron. Generally, when I sell knives, I give my patrons first opportunity, and I give really good discounts too, by the way. But anyways, everybody told me when I was like, "This is it. You know, I'm gonna keep this one forever." Everybody was like, "Yeah, right. You'll get rid of that thing in a month or two." And I was like, "No," and you guys were all right. So I was wrong. I love that knife, but I just realized I was like, I just don't want this to end. I want to keep seeking out Hinderers, and I don't have enough money to just buy Hinderers. Like I always say, if I'm going to buy a knife for myself, I have to sell one out of my own personal collection. I can't use, currently I can't use channel funds to just buy knives for myself. It has to go back into the channel. So anyways, before we get started here, please check out my Redbubble store for merch. There are new stickers. As you can see there, the Silent Night now comes in a multitude of different colors, including rainbow. How cool is that, right? So if you want to get your hands on some cool Metal Complex merch, check out the link in the description. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. Also, I'm sure you guys are wondering, like, did you sell the tie scale with it? No, still have the tie scale. The tie scale truly will stay around forever because all the new tie scales are milled, and I don't want the milling. Oh, cool. I needed a new one of these. So this is from DLT Trading. I get some of my Hinderers from DLT, some from other places. I try not to be, you know, too, like, exclusive with who I buy stuff from. Although I forgot I ordered special parts for it too. You know, like if somebody's got one that I really want, then I go for it. So this is a DLT Trading exclusive. I am so excited to get into this here. Don't want to ruin what it is. It is red. Here we go. I'm so excited. Oh, so excited. Come on. Get this baby out. Oh, I'm sure as you guys can tell, this is a new Fullard spear. Let's take a look there. Oh, wonderful. Let's take a look here at the action. Wonderful. How's the centering? Looks good. I'm happy with that. Oh my goodness. So what I also bought were some special handle nuts, which you can see here have the Hinderer logo on them. How cool is that? So the next time you see this knife, it's going to be outfitted with a lot of cool custom parts. I am itching to get that on, and I've got some other stuff to do today, so you won't see it in this video, but you definitely will see it in upcoming videos. Check out DLT Trading. They're a great place to buy Hinderers. Guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. If you enjoyed this unboxing, or you're excited about it, or feeling positive in any way, shape, or form, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.